In conclusion, most platforms will differentiate between polls and surveys. And so in terms of a survey, you are really gathering data from your attendees that you are going to use in some way after the session. Typically, a poll is going to be used for the session for the sake of what you are communicating. What you're going to see here inside of Zoom is similar to a poll, except you will be collecting the data. So you can put together a survey for your customers that you will launch while you are actually on the call. What you can also do is to use a third-party survey. And when you click this link, you'll notice that there is no real integration. You're just going to put a link to the URL where you are holding your survey. Now, obviously, you are going to want to track the data from your survey. And you can do that inside of Zoom by going to the account management area, then going over to the reports area. You are then going to see a webinar area. You're going to click inside of there, and then you can choose either a poll or survey, and you can choose it by date based on the webinar where you made the poll available. And you can use the generated report for any webinar that you have hosted in order to get the added information from your attendees. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.